Hi everyone! So I'm finally back, and I think it's been like 2 or 3 years since the last time I recorded a video. The videos I previously uploaded were all pre-recorded from 2017, so this is a brand new video and I'm really excited because today is going to be a special video for the unboxing of the special edition Animal Crossing Switch, and I also have the pouch, which I guess I'll be opening on camera as well. So I decided to buy this Switch. I really debated for a long time not to buy it because I already have a Switch, but I just couldn't pass it up. So I decided to sell my old Switch for this one, and I have the Let's Go Pikachu edition one. So I might do a video unboxing it before I sell it. I guess reopening it or just showing it off before I sell it so that you guys can get a look at how it looks, because it is a really cute Switch, but definitely not as cute as the Animal Crossing one. So I'm really excited for today's video. It's been a long time, so without further ado, let's get started. So let's start off with the box because the box is really cute as well. So here's the design all around and the back. Oh my god, I'm really excited to open this. This is the new way to travel, because in New Leaf they had the monkey with the train, but this one they have like the bird, the Dodo Airlines. I'm really excited to open this Switch. The game isn't even out yet, but I'm really excited. I don't actually know when I'm going to be uploading this video, but this is the day right after the Switch came out, which is... oh, actually no, it's been 2 days now, so it's Sunday today. But I'm really excited to open it, so let's get this opened. So I feel like today is actually not a great day to record this video because my sister came home early and she's making a lot of noise in the kitchen, and then there's like kids outside dribbling basketballs, but that's not gonna stop me from opening my Switch. So here it is. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So the JoyCons look a lot cuter in person, and there's the, I guess, the system as well. I'm gonna take them out of the box so it's easier for you guys to see, but here's the side of the box. It just teaches you how to set it up, and we're gonna just take these out. Oh my god, it looks really cute. So here's the green one, and they obviously come packaged, and it has a really nice matte feel to them. I guess they all do, but it just looks really cool and I really like it. So I can't wait to use these. It's always nice to look at a brand new Switch controller because obviously mine are used now. So here's the blue. Oh my god, it's so cute. And it's white on the other side. So here is how they look together. So I actually read that a few people weren't happy because they were hoping that the system itself wasn't black, but I actually don't really mind that at all. And oh my gosh, it's so bright. Hold on, let me switch the frame. So I had to switch cameras because the other one wasn't showing the detailing of the back wall enough, but here it is. Hopefully you guys can kind of see it, but it's kind of like a silhouette of various Animal Crossing related objects and characters. So there's some different villagers and different seasonal items as well. It's really cute. I love how intricate the design is, but also kind of how minimalistic it is and just subtle. So it's really cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the rest of the items in the box. So there's just some cables. I think this is an HDMI cable. I'm not too tech savvy, so I'm pretty sure my boyfriend would know what that is. And I guess these are like charging cables. The Switch manual, or I guess maybe this is like the health and safety guide. So here is the controller, and sorry, I'm kind of moving things as I'm filming it, but let me just take this out of the packaging. So for this controller, you're just supposed to slide the Joy-Cons in here to power it up, and it's really nice. This is pretty much the same as the one that I have already and the one that comes in all of them. There's nothing really special about it. Okay, honestly, I don't really know what these are called, but you attach these to the Joy-Con so that these buttons are bigger, I guess. I don't really know how to describe it because you can also press it here, but when you attach on this one, the buttons stick out more, and also you can use the strap. So I guess the main reason why you'd use these is probably for the strap, or if you want to use these buttons and make it a little bit easier to press them. So here's the one that comes with a green strap, and as I said earlier, I really like how the straps look. And there's also the blue one. So these look really cute. I can't wait to get my Switch all set up so I can use them as well. So here's the last thing in the box, and it's the dock, so the biggest thing for last. And it's really nicely packaged. There's bubble wrap and then another layer of packaging as well. So let's get this opened. Gonna slide it out. Okay, so here's the back side, and we're gonna flip it. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. So it has the Nook family on an island, and they're just standing on a body of water here. It's so adorable. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. There's a logo up there, but maybe it's a little hard to see because it's like white on beige. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute. I can't get over it. So I love the style of the art that they did for the dock. So lastly, I'm going to open this Animal Crossing themed Switch pouch, which I bought separately. And the box is kind of hard to open, so I'm struggling a little here. Ugh. Okay, I'm just going to slide this out with ease. Okay, oh, there's tape on it. Hold on, let me cut off the tape and then I'll resume this. Okay, so the tape has been removed and opening this box is no longer an obstacle. So let's pull it out. Oh my gosh. Oh, so here's how it looks. It actually looks a lot cuter in person than in the pictures. I was kind of like feeling okay about it at first, but now that I'm actually holding it, the material feels really nice, and the colors of the zippers are nice as well. So there are two different colors, like a dark mint and a lighter blue, which match the pouch, and then the top of the zipper are two different colors as well. So the inside of the pouch is just this nice soft black fabric to protect your Switch. And then if you guys can see on the left side here, there's a little stand so that you can prop up your Switch if you're playing on the go. And then the other side of the pouch can carry up to 5 games, and also there's a little bag or slot, I guess, which you can carry your straps in. So the pouch also includes this plastic screen protector, but I already bought a pack of tempered glass ones, so I won't be needing this. And I'm just going to be setting up my Switch now, so I'll give you guys a better look. I'm going to apply my tempered glass screen protector and put it all together, and then I'll come back and show you guys. I've assembled the Switch, and oh my gosh, it looks so adorable and complete once it's put together like this. So the mint green just complements the light blue really well, and I've also applied my tempered glass screen protector, which was almost perfect, but I got like a little bit of an air bubble down there, but that's fine. So overall, this Switch as a whole just looks really nice, and I can't see myself falling in love with the Switch more than this one, because not only does this represent my favorite Nintendo game, but also just the colors complement each other so well, and I really don't think I'm gonna like a Switch more than this one. I'm gonna go ahead and say that in the video for the record. Hopefully I don't regret it one day, but I really can't see Nintendo coming up with a better concept with better colors and for a better game. So I'm really happy to own this, and I really have no complaints. Okay, so my first video back, I'd say, was pretty successful and a lot of fun to film for sure. I definitely want to make more videos in the future. I decided to upload this video sooner than my older videos because I wanted to get this one out before the new Horizons game was released. So the next 2 videos I'm going to be uploading after this one will be pre-recorded footage from around 3 years ago. But I think making this video has reminded me how difficult but fun making videos can be. It definitely is a little bit stressful and sort of made me impressed with myself when I could record a lot more footage at once. So hopefully after this my stamina can get back to where it once was. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I always appreciate new people checking out my channel and old subscribers coming back as well. If you're interested in what I'm all about and wondering what my next video will be, feel free to subscribe and hopefully we'll see each other again in my next video. As always, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!